Hello students, in this lecture we will study about the differentiation and integration rules along with examples. So let's start with the differentiation rule. First rule is if y is equal to c, where c is a constant, then how we can differentiate this y with respect to x? So this will be dy upon dx will be equal to d by dx of c. Means both sides LHS and RHS we will have to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of any constant, here c is constant, differentiation of any constant is 0. Second, if y is equal to x to power n, then dy upon dx will be equal to d by dx of x to power n, and d by dx of x to power n will be, according to rule, the power comes down, it will be n, power is n, it comes down, and x to power n minus 1. We have to subtract 1 from the power when the power comes down. So this is the result of this with respect to x, with respect to dx. Now third, if y is equal to ax to power n, then dy upon dx is equal to, a is already there, we have to take power like in rule number 2, we have to take power in front, we can say in front of x, so it will be n, x to power n minus 1. The same thing we have done as in rule number 2. So the difference is only of a will be at its same position, and this n x to power n minus 1 is similar to rule number 2. Now fourth, if y is equal to x, then dy upon dx will be equal to dx upon dx, this dx will be cancelled to get 1. Fifth, if y is equal to sine x, it is in the form of sine, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine x, and you have to remember d by dx of sine x is always cos x. If y is equal to cos x, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos x, and differentiation of cos x with respect to x will be minus sin x. Similarly, if y is equal to tan x, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan x, and when we differentiate this tan x, then it will be sec square x. Now eighth rule, if y is equal to u plus v, suppose there is first term as u and second term is v, where u and v are functions of x, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx in bracket u plus v. So we can separate these two as du by dx plus minus dv by dx. And after that, according to these functions, the value of these functions, we can differentiate further. We will take example to clear you. Now ninth, if y is equal to multiplication of two functions, that is, first function is u, second function is v, it is y is equal to uv, where u and v are functions of x, then dy by dx is equal to d by dx of uv. And you have to remember this, if it is the product of u and v, then once d will be differentiated, then after plus sign u will be differentiated. So u, it will be u dv by dx plus v du by dx. This will be dy upon dx of the function when they are in the product form. And after that we can differentiate with respect to x according to the given values of u and v. Now next, if y is equal to u upon v, same thing, where u and v are functions of x, then you have to remember dy by dx is equal to in bracket v, denominator is v, du by dx minus u dv by dx upon, it will be v square. और we can say that, इसको याद रखने के लिए v और u इतनी जल्दी याद नहीं होगा, आपको केवल इतना याद रखना है. Denominator is, if denominator is represented by capital D, or in reality denominator is v, so in place of v we can write d, dn upon dx, n is numerator, minus n dd upon dx, d is denominator, so upon v is denominator, so denominator square. So you have to remember in this form, it will be easy to remember. Write down where d and n are denominator and numerator. Now we will take some example to clear these rules. Examples of differentiation. Suppose if we take first example as y is equal to 5x to power 4. So according to our rule, this is ax to power n. This is like ax to power n. In place of a, 5, in place of n, 4. So it will be, if we want to differentiate this with respect to x, then what is the rule? It will be a d by dx of x to power n, a n x to power n minus 1. This is the rule which we are applying on this. So it will be 5 into 4 x to power 4 minus 1. It will be 20 x to power 4 minus 1 is 3. So dy upon dx will become 20 x to power 3. Similarly, take another example. Y is equal to a under root x. Suppose this term is given. Then how you can differentiate this with respect to x? It will be dy upon dx is equal to d by dx of in bracket a under root x. And under root x can be represented as, you all know that it can be represented as x to power 1 by 2. So we can differentiate this as dy upon dx is equal to a 1 by 2 will come forward into 1 by 2 a to power n minus 1 means 1 by 2 minus 1. So it will be a by 2 x to power 1 by 2 minus 1 means it will be minus 1 by 2. If you take LCM, then it will be minus 1 by 2. So finally what we will get, dy by dx is equal to a by 2 under root x. This will be your expression after the differentiation. Now third example is a upon x cube. a upon x cube, suppose this is given, you have to differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of a upon x to power 3. Then we can write it as d by dx of a x to power minus 3 when it will go from denominator to numerator. And finally what we'll get, dy upon dx is equal to a, this minus 3 will come forward, it will be in bracket minus 3 x to power n minus 1 means minus 3 minus 1. So it will be minus 3a x to power minus 4. This will be your answer, minus 3a x to power minus 4. And the last example related to differentiation, example number 4. Suppose if it is given as y is equal to a cube sin x, and you have to differentiate with respect to x, then it will be d by dx of a cube sin x, and a cube is constant, it will come forward. So d by dx of sin x, and you know what is the value of d by dx of sin x? It is minus cos x. No, it will be cos x. So a cube d by dx of sin x is cos x, but d by dx of cos x will be minus sin x. So this will be your answer, dy by dx is equal to a cube cos x. Now we will discuss about the rules of integration. First is y is equal to, if this is given as y is equal to integral sign x to power n dx, then we have to integrate this. According to rule, it will be, if we want to remove this integration sign, then the power will be added by 1, and there will be the addition of power with 1 will be written in denominator also. So it will be x to power n minus 1 upon n, x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Similarly, second, if it is given as y is equal to integration sign a b square x to power n dx, suppose this is given, 3 is constant, a b square is constant, so take out 3ab square, then integration sign x to power n dx. So it will be y is equal to 3ab square, x to power n dx will be similar, it will be x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So your answer will be 3ab square in bracket x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now the third one, y is equal to integration sign 1 upon x dx. This can be written as log to the base e x. Fourth one, y is equal to simple under integration sign dx. Then it will be x to power, there is no power, so it will be 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. So finally we will get the integration of dx as x. Fifth rule, y is equal to integration of sin x dx. Integration of sin x dx will be minus cos x. It will be minus cos x, but the differentiation of sin x will be only cos x. We have seen in differentiation. Now sixth is y is equal to integration of cos x dx will be sin x. Now seventh, y is equal to, if this is given, y is equal to u plus minus v, where u and v are functions of x, then अब इसका इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे, y is equal to integration sign u plus minus v dx. Then what we will get? It will be u dx plus minus integration sign v dx. Now examples of integration. First example we are taking, suppose it is given as y is equal to integration sign ax cube dx. Then according to rule, a is constant, it will come out of the integration sign x cube dx, and x cube dx will be x to power 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. So this will be x to power 4 upon 4. Second, y is equal to integration sign 3a upon x dx. It will be 3a will come out of this integration sign, 1 upon x dx, and we will get 3a log to the base e x. Third, y is equal to, suppose it is given as minus 3 by 2 plus 2x. You have to integrate this. Then what you will do? First of all, you have to separate these x to power 3 by 2 dx plus integration sign 2x dx. So what we can do? It will be y is equal to x to power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 according to integration rule, and in denominator it will be minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2. This is x. 2 will come out of integration sign. X integration of x dx will be, integration will be removed, then it will be x 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, because power of x is 1. So it will be 2x square upon 2. 2 gets cancelled, and finally what we will get? It will be x to power, take the LCM of this, 2 will be LCM, so this will be minus 1 by 2 upon, and this will also be minus 1 by 2 plus x square. This will be your answer. Now fourth one, suppose it is given as y is equal to 4a square sin x, integration of 4a square sin x. Then what we have to do? We have to integrate this, so it will be minus 4a square cos x. Why it will be minus cos x? Because integration of sin x is minus cos x. So you have to remember these rules and also the examples, because in physics there may be numerical in which the differentiation or integration can be used. Okay, thank you very much for watching.